Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your class. Today we will discuss about some more questions of reviewing exercise chapter exponent. Here only two questions given related to the laws of exponent. Already we have completed exercise 5A. Okay, that is the based on the concept of laws of exponent. Okay, students. ठीक है, तो आज हम क्या करेंगे? Just we will discuss about the two questions that is giving real exercise based on the laws of exponent. Okay, so see question number 7. Here I will take two parts. Okay, so the first one is given 16 whole square into 12 to the power 3 upon 27 square to the power 2 to the whole power 5. Okay, how will we solve? Again use concept of what? Prime factorization, power of prime factorization. So we'll discuss it. Power of prime factorization either by just expanding it. Okay, that we can expand and solve this. Okay, so here both method will apply. By direct method means by expanding, directly we can expand it. So 16 into 16, 12 into 12 into 12 upon 27 into 27. Here 2 to the power 2 means 4. So 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 5 times na. So 4 4 ja 16. 4 4 ja 16. Okay, 4 3 ja 12. 3 9 ja 27. Again 3 9 3 3 ja 9. 3 4 ja 12. Again 3 9 ja 27. 3 4 ja 12. 3 4 ja 12. Okay, so here answer is what? 4 4 ja 16 and 3 9 ja 27. This is the answer by expanding rule. But if you apply here laws of exponent, so first we have to write its power of prime factorization. So here you can write 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 means 2 to the power 4 to the whole square. Now here 2 to the 4 to the 12 whole cube. Down here 27. 3 3 the 9 to the 27. 3 to the power 3 to the whole power 2 into here 2 whole power 2 to the power 2 to the power 5. Now here you can write this 2 to the power 4 to the 8. Use this rule. Power m cross a power m is equal to a power m cross n. Okay, so here 4 to the 8. Here 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3. What will we use here? This rule. A cross b to the power m is equal to a to the power m into b to the power m. B power m. Power will be distributed. Clear? Now here you apply 3 to the power 3 to the power 2. Again power of power 3 to the power 6. Now here 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 to whole power 5 to the power 10. Now again here solve. Base same, power will be added. So 8 plus 3 plus 3. What? 16. Sorry, 14. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 3. 14 into 3 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 6. And here 2 to the power 10. 2 to the power 10. So what will remain here? You can write this using this rule. Again, you can apply the law of exponent here. 2 to the power 14, 2 to the power 10. You can write this 2 to the power 14, 2 to the power 10 into 3 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 6. 3 to the power 6. Okay, clear? So what we will do here? Apply. Here I will solve. This portion I will solve here. Okay, see. So apply this rule. 2 power 14 minus 10. Okay, 2 power 14 minus 10 into 3 power 3 minus 6. Now you can write this 2 power 4 into 2 power minus 3. So here you can write 2 power 4 upon 3 power minus 3. 3 power minus 3. So 3 power. So 2 power 4 means 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 and 3 to the 9 to the 27. So this is the solution of this question. Okay, by expanding method, direct expanding, and by laws of expansion. Okay, clear students? One more question we'll discuss after this question 7. See here. Third part of this question. Third part, what is given? See, minus 2 to the power 4 into minus 3 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 3 upon minus 1 to the power 6 into minus 7 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. So here first, what is by this rule? Any negative number having power even, its value is always positive. Any negative number having power odd, its value is always negative. Okay, here, see here negative number minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 7. Here power is even. So what it will become? 2 power 4. Here power odd, so it will become minus 3 to the power 3, then 7 to the power 3. Again here minus 1 to the power 6, even power, so it will become positive. Now here even power, it will become positive. 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2. Okay, clear? Now here we can solve 2 to the power minus 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 3, 7 to the power 3 upon 1 to the power 6, 1. Okay. Now here 7 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2. Okay. So again we apply here this rule. A to the power n upon a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. M minus n. So see here 2 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 3 upon 7 to the power 2. Okay, clear? Now apply here 2 to the power 4 minus 2, 3 to the power 3 minus 2, 7 to the power 3 minus 2. So here 2 to the power 2, 3 and 7, 1 to the power. Okay, clear? So solve this one. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 to the 4, 3 is 12 and 7 is 84. Minus sign. Here I forgot. Okay. Here. So here minus. Question number 8 is given. If 16 into 8 to the power 2 is equal to what? 2 to the power m. Find m. Find the value of m. So how will you find? So here one side is given 2 power m, which base is 2. So here we have to convert all the term in the base of 2. So you can write this what? 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 is 2 to the power 4. Here you can write 2 to the power how much? 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the power 3. 2 whole power 2. Here 2 to the power m. 2 to the power m. 2 to the 4 to the 8. Now again you can write what? 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power. Apply this rule. Power on power. M power n power n. a power m cross n. So here 3 to the 6 to power m. Now apply this rule, a power m into a power n, a power m plus n, m plus n. So what we will get here, 2 power 4 plus 6 is equal to 2 power n, and this implies 4 plus 6 10, 2 power n. Okay, now comparing, if it is given 2 to power n, here it is given means 8 power n and 8 power n. So this implies m is equal to n. Okay, so here 10 is equal to m, then you can say m is equal to 10. So the value of m is 10. Okay, students. So in this way you will complete these two questions. Okay, and exercise 5A, that is already over. So please complete it and just send the notes to your respective subject teachers. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.